Welcome to Design Collection. Facebook ads. Facebook is a social media platform, so its ads are primarily designed for reaching users based on their interests, demographics, and behavior on the platform. Google Ads. Google is a search engine, and Google Ads primarily target users based on their search queries and intent. Targeting options. Facebook ads. Facebook offers precise targeting options based on user demographics, interests, behaviors, and connections. You can target users with specific interests or even retarget those who have interacted with your content. Google Ads. Google Ads target users based on their search queries, location, and website content. It's great for capturing users actively searching for products or services related to your business. Ad format. Facebook ads. Facebook offers various ad formats, including image and video ads, carousel ads, and more. Google Ads. Google Ads include text ads, display ads, video ads, and shopping ads. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.